collab. Hi guys, hello my viewers, go check them out and subscribe. Today's ride is the BENELLI TRK 502 and looks good, amazing. Like, I didn't expect it to be this big. In the pictures it was like quite, what do you say, smaller. You know what, let's fire her up. Yep. Let's check out the exhaust note. It's got an underbelly exhaust. Damn, that's sweet. We got it. Benelli's always nailed the exhaust note, so that's really nice. We got carriers, pannier carriers over there. We got good grip and you know what? It has double discs. How cool is that? I'm expecting BENELLI calipers. We have proper off-road pegs. And what else do we have? You know what? I'll just give you guys the specs later, and let's just feel what this guy feels like. And the seat's super comfortable, super soft. So let's take her for a spin. Whoa! It definitely feels heavy. That's still about 8,500 RPM. Okay, let's go. And this thing has got some nice purple wool. Super comfortable. I really like this bike. And why is there traffic? Why? We got a Jawa test ride, and I think it's tiny compared to this. You want to rub her up? Okay, like when you get it going, it becomes loud, but when it's stationary, it's really silent. And yeah, you got a Jawa. I feel like the throttle's a bit twitchy. Must be in the test ride. This thing just moves as soon as you leave the clutch. It gets going like really nice. It really does get going. I love the windscreen on this thing. Horn isn't bad. Let's try filtering. Okay, isn't that maneuverable? Okay, handles really well. You guys can see. Okay. Mirrors, very good, not the worst. Hey, this thing has a really good pull all the way from the bottom of the rev range, so there's nothing else to say. This thing feels amazing actually. So this is just a quick test ride. If you guys wanna see a full video, a long ride or something, do comment down below, and I'll do my best to get it from Benelli. I'm definitely happy with this bike, and you guys should definitely go for it. I mean, it's one of the good starting tourers. Okay, wait. Okay, second gear and pulling. I felt it knock below 15 kilometers per hour. Let's just take a U-turn. I don't know. Yep. Yeah, free U-turn. Ooh, exhaust just popped. Look at this. It's just the clutch and it's pulling really, really good. This is actually my second adventure tourer I've ridden at Himalayan, so well, that thing isn't actually the best. Oh my god. So we got the Benelli logo right here. We got Benelli. I just hope you guys can see everything right. Okay. So, yep. What's up? Peace out. This thing is big. It does feel big. We got LED indicators. I'll show it to you. We got tags and Benelli logos. We got a nice little flip. What else? An instrument cluster. We got the fuel. We got the gear indicator. We got the auto speedometer, and we got a time. We got the temperature, and beautiful RPM gauge. So you know what? When it's still, it feels heavy. Suspension is amazing actually. I haven't really tested it hardcore though, but I still love it. This thing is actually really, really nice to ride. Okay, let's try to put it in neutral. Nope. Doesn't want to go to neutral. Okay, it's stuck. You know what? Let's just try pulling from second gear. See that? Just let go of the clutch and it just pulls. I really, really like it. Okay, we got some shaking here. Probably, yeah, this one's hide. So you get optional ABS. You can switch it off whenever you want. So let's not switch it out right now. I don't actually like these mirrors, but they do the job. We'll do a walk around as soon as I stop. This exhaust note is really, really nice. It sounds amazing. I just love Benelli's sound. So what else do we have here? We have neutral, air beam, indicators, ABS, engine, and let's start moving. These brakes give amazing bite. I really like the brakes on these things. Okay, it does have a good turning radius, but I don't know what that jerk was. Really good. It's not that bad actually. These brakes are really, really nice actually. I just love them. Love the brakes. Man, This thing gets so much attention. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Horn, indicator, hazards, high beam, yes, clutch. Let me tell you about the clutch. Actually feels really good. Feels nice. Got the high beam. Yeah. Got the brakes. These are adjustable. Okay. It comes with an adjustable brake lever, but not an adjustable clutch lever. Yeah, that's bad. What is this? We have a 5 volt 2 amps charger, USB out. Nice. Maybe. Very smooth taste. Very smooth. It really gets going right from the bottom all the way to the top. That is actually really, really nice. I can plant both my legs very comfortably. Just under 6 feet. Yep, I would say this bike is very suited to my liking. The exhaust note is really, really nice. And just feel that 600i. Wow. Damn it. It doesn't squeeze through, can it? Nope. Don't want to risk it.